If you are dealing with mold toxicity and you are trying to learn how to detox on a budget, I totally understand. I know that not everybody can afford one-on-one personalized detox protocols with me. So what I have is the Mold Detox Blueprint. This is actually available for print paperback on Amazon now. Essentially, this is the sensitive person's guide step by step on how to identify if you're dealing with mold, exactly what to do to detox, what binders to take, what supplements to take, what nutrients. If you're dealing with things like histamine, MCAS, blood sugar swings, vertigo, anxiety, things like that, I outline all of that in my book. I will put the link to this in the description. Also, I'm thinking about doing like a mini video course as another way to provide an option to you guys of how you can detox from mold on a budget. If you are interested in that, leave me a comment and let me know. That way I know how I can help you guys more. Outside of that, if you're wanting one-on-one support, you can set up a call with me one-on-one where we'll do a comprehensive overview of your symptoms, your test results, your health history, and we will come up with a personalized healing protocol to help you successfully, safely, and efficiently detox from mold without prescriptions, without extreme protocols like shoemaker stuff, which I highly respect, but it is exhaustive and not necessary with how many people I've helped, including my own story of healing from this. So check out the description. If you're trying to detox on a budget, this book is perfect for you. It'll give you the step-by-step guide of everything you need. There's a lot of other resources for you as well in the description of the video.